Hey everyone, this week we're taking a look at a build done by Cascade Custom Vans. It's a beautiful short wheelbase with a really professional design and a comfortable space. Also, make sure you're subscribed for the best van life content. Now, let's take a look.
What's up guys, Brian here with Cascade Custom Vans in beautiful Bend, Oregon. Got a brand new build coming out of the shop right now. It's a 2021 Sprinter, 4x4 high roof, decked out. Let's have a look. So jumping straight in guys, this is the third version of our cabinetry kit for the two-person layout. Revised bench here with extra storage up front here. So we have 2 drawers on the front side here, as well as 2 on the back side there. We have the toilet bench on the far side there for the extra stuff storage. Stack here as well in front of the galley. Silverware drawer up top that houses the induction cooktop. We have a Richlight countertop bamboo core on this setup. Dometic CRX 110S fridge, 3.8 cubic foot in the size. Has a freezer as well inside of it. Plenty of room for everything you need on the road. Big enough freezer so you don't have to sacrifice the smoothies on the go as well. Quartz stone drop-in countertop sink here, pull down spray head, and the water control with the pump up here as well in the front. All right, moving into the rest of the cabinetry here, we have overhead cabinets front to back in this. We have an extra outlet up top here if you ever want to choose to add a microwave. Inside the overhead, USB ports in here as well if you want to charge up something off of the USB. All the overhead cabinets have dimmable undermount lighting. We have a zone in the front in the kitchen, so we have galley lighting for your work lighting there, and then we have another one in the bedside cabinets for mood lighting, reading, etc. We also have reader lights in this van, 2 of them, 3 settings for the brightness and 1 for red lighting so it doesn't wake you up at night. Overhead lighting is dimmable as well. We have 8 puck lights in this one as well as these recessed LED tracks. These bad boys are color changing. And they're party, they're fun. Little custom thing we did for a client here. Ceiling is our signature clear vertical grain Doug fir, the drop slatted style. As I said before, max fan here inside for all the ventilation, in, out. It's the 7500K Deluxe, so it has the remote control. And it also has auto temp settings, so you can set it to turn on and off when the inside of the van gets a little too hot. Bed in this build is a 5-inch memory foam, cut to shape for the flare spaces. We have a bedside 12-volt fan as well with a timer and different speed settings on there, keep you cooled at night. We have an Arctic turn window in the flare space. Fabric wrap accents inside the trim rings. Fabric walls in these for the extra warmth and feel comfort inside there.
This week's video is sponsored by Skillshare. We've been using Skillshare for quite a while now, and it's still able to surprise us with its unique and interesting classes. One class that I was super excited to find is Mindful Affirmations and Patterns for Better Sleep by Neha Modi. While living on the road, it's really important to have a good sleep pattern and practice so that you get the rest you need to really adventure and enjoy your day. I'm even trying to get David in on the class with me. Skillshare has thousands of inspiring classes just like this one for anyone who loves learning. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description below will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. And don't worry, it's ad-free so you can stay in the zone. Now back to the video and happy learning.
In the center of the overheads here, we have our control hub. This controls our WeBoost cell signal booster up top here. We have a freshwater gauge that tells us our freshwater on demand. Quick on-off switch to it so we don't waste power. We also have a gray water tank gauge there as well. Inverter on-off switch controls all of our outlets. There are 5 AC outlets distributed throughout the van. Each one has 2 USB ports. We have an additional 12-volt USB in the bedside flare space. So we have a total of 11 charging ports for the USB. Renogy heads-up display there for the battery monitor in this system. On the left-hand side, we have the Timberline hydronic system. This is your control center for that. So we can fire up our heater here, we can control our hot water, and we can control our temperatures on this dial as well. Here we have 100% waterproof, commercial grade LVP flooring, high wear layer on it so the scratches won't happen in and out, dogs, all that good stuff. Dual mounts for the lagoon table, so you can set the kitchen up with extra dining space. This van's got it all. All right guys, jumping straight into the exterior features on this. Got some fancy new shoes on it, BF Goodrich KO2s, 17-inch rims. These are the Black Rhino mid-hills. Up front, we got a brush guard light bar from Luminous, full ceramic window tint, windshield and windows. Rigid porch light for the safety at night, safety in, safety out, seeing what's around. Up top, a Luminous roof rack, Fiamma F45S awning, and WeBoost cell signal booster. We got two 90-watt Obsidian solar panels for a total of 180 watts up on top. Max air fan for the ventilation as well. On the back side of the van here, we have the Alvan's B2 carrier with the mid-size Expedition gearbox. Awesome setup, airtight, waterproof, all that good stuff, locking. On the other side, we have the Ladder tire carrier. Extra spare on the back. You're ever in the middle of nowhere, you need an extra spare, you want a full size. In the back of the van here, we have a purpose-built garage. On the right-hand passenger side, we have our entire power system housed inside of here, as well as an ARB high-performance twin compressor, so we can air up, air down tires, clean off bikes, all that fun stuff. On the left-hand side here, on the wheel well, we have a 20-gallon water reservoir, city fill port right here with a quick connect, check valve in it, so we have no spills, no leaks, yada yada. And then up here we have the shower that pops out right into here, hot and cold for a good rinse off on the outside. Plenty of storage as well. We got 4 compartments on this side, 2 over here. We also have garage lights for loading out at night. Ample space as well for bikes. This bed height is set just over 35 inches so that we can fit full-size bikes in here. Don't leave them at home.
That's it for this week's van tour. If you want to see more done by Cascade Custom Vans, take a look at their YouTube page. We also have another van tour we saw from them of another short wheelbase Sprinter. It's worth taking a look. Also, make sure to subscribe for the best van life tours and tips. Until next time, safe travels.